Hello everybody!
Hello.
It's a gorgeous Saturday evening, and this evening we're going to make an Irish spice bag, which is rather exciting.
Yes, I don't know anything about this, so it's all new for me as well.
Spice bags are a new fast food that have taken Ireland by storm, both Southern Ireland and also Northern Ireland. And it consists of a paper bag, and we have these Avon bags, and you fill the paper bag with seasoned chips, crispy chicken, fried onions and peppers, and sometimes you might like a curry sauce to dip your chips in. That's a spice bag. We are also going to do a veggie version with mozzarella sticks. I was going to do some halloumi, which I really enjoy, but to be honest, it's been a long day and I can't really be bothered.
And I probably don't look my best in this one.
So
Been out in the garden.
we were in Iceland and we saw some mozzarella sticks, and I thought, yes, get in there. We bought 3 items from the TGI Fridays range at Iceland. We have some French fries, we have some Southern fried mozzarella XL dippers. These are going in the oven at 200 Celsius for about 20-25 minutes, just depending, and they'll be turned halfway through the cooking time. The chicken strips, Cajun chicken strips with marinara sauce. These go in at 180 Celsius. And to go on the side, we're having one of these Harry Ramsden's chip shop curry sauce pots. I'm going to prep these. I'll put these on the tray ready. That looks like a nice lot of strips. You'll be pleased, Dan, there's plenty of protein there. And any leftovers make a good lunch. There's a marinara sauce here which we'll put to one side for now. These go in a single layer. You see, the box is deceptive. It looks like there's absolutely loads. And it wasn't badly packed, but it's all packaging. I'll put those over there. And then these I will place in a single layer on the large tray. These are my lovely Southern fried mozzarella XL dippers. I don't know how XL they are, let's find out. Oh yes, they are XL. They're quite big. I'll put some French fries on. I'm going to have a feast. That should be all right for 2 people. I'm going to make a seasoning for the fries. This is some Pyramid sea salt. It's pure sea salt. Grind that. And I'm going to add a bit of the Jamaican jerk seasoning and a bit of coarse ground black pepper. And then I'm going to sprinkle it over the fries. We'll use it all. And then just coat the fries all over and the seasoning. There we go. And we'll put those over there. And once the oven has got to temperature, we'll pop them in. I'm going to defrost the marinara sauce. The instructions say put it in a bowl of hot water, and then once it's defrosted, we decant it into a bowl. It's rather decadent having 2 sauces, but it is a Saturday night.
Well, I've been instructed to chop these peppers and this onion, so I'll do the onion first. I'll do the whole onion.
Yeah.
Just keep your fingers tucked in. Finely chopped.
Doesn't have to be fine because it's going on top.
Let's do them like this. That should be okay.
That's fine, babe. Now Dan's going to use half a red pepper and half a yellow pepper. He's going to slice those and add them to the plate of onions we have over here. So what have you been doing today then, Dan?
I was out in the garden trimming the grass and pottering about out there. We sowed some radishes and we sowed some lettuces, mixed leaves. I've got to go back out in the garden later and pot up some parsnips and do some other things.
The baby lettuces.
The baby lettuces, yes. I just need to give it a tidy. I've got to empty the composter and sorted out all the old bones that are in there and eggshells and things. So that can go on the vegetable bed. Got fruit to pick, got red currants and black raspberries out there.
You'll be going to bed tonight?
No.
For 5 minutes?
If you're lucky.
You made a good job of those, Dan.
Oh, thank you.
And then if you want to put those on the plate with the onions, then we can think about frying them in some nice olive oil with some seasoning, and that'll be hunky-dory.
Oh, that? What is that?
Lovely, perfect.
Right, so we're going to fry up the spices and the onions and peppers with a splash of olive oil. Should be enough.
We wait for that to reach temperature.
Let's just put this in.
Then putting in the onions and the peppers.
Both of them.
We've turned the heat down lower as well because we don't want them to burn. And we're going to also add a little bit of the pyramid salt, which helps to sweat off the onions. This tip, and also the foil tip, I learnt from watching the Hairy Bikers. So that goes on top and we just leave it to sweat off a bit. And then in a minute or two, we'll give it a check and maybe a turn, and it will make the onions nice and soft and the peppers, and it will cook them, but it won't burn them, because there's nothing worse than eating burnt onions. Peppers and onions are browning really nicely now, but not too much. I'll turn them over. I'm going to move them to a smaller ring as well, just to finish cooking away. We're halfway through cooking time now. And then I'm going to turn over the fries and the mozzarella sticks. Oh, that's a glass. The marinara sauce is melted. I'm going to pour it into this bowl and put it on the table. I've made some holes in the top of the lid and the curry sauce. This goes in for 2 minutes. Then I stir it and then put it in for another minute. It's time to fill the spice bag. So I'll put some fries in. Is that alright, Dan?
I think so. Yes, there's plenty there, isn't there?
And then I'll put in some peppers. An onion. Looks a bit messy. I'm sure it'll taste nice.
I'm sure it'll be delicious.
Okay. And then, do you want some mott sticks?
Yes, have some of those, yes, please.
And some of your crispy chicken.
Some of those, yes. We've got shot.
There we go.
Oh,
That's your spice bag. So do you want to sit down and I'll just do my food up? Now this is how the spice bag looks. Normally you just eat it with a fork. It's street food. I'll try some pepper. It's cooked but there's still some slight crunch. I'm going to try some yellow pepper. The onions are good as well. Really yummy. I've got a mozzarella stick. Some of the mozzarella oozed out. It's still very tasty though. I'm going to try dipping it in the marinara sauce. That's good. It's got a kick. I'm going to try some curry. Oh, it's so good. Try a seasoned chip. They're nicely seasoned. I wonder who did that seasoning.
I thought I'd eat mine the posh way on a plate. Very nice. Nice crunchy fries. Differs.
You approve?
Definitely. Definitely got the seal of approval. I won't do the funny clap. Very nice.
So there we are, an Irish spice bag, and I can totally see why the Irish love this latest fast food trend. Thanks for watching, see you again soon, bye!